Hi, my name is Kurt Guess and I'm the outside sales representative and temporary power specialist for Trinity Power at the BC branch. Today we're going to be doing a specifications video for a 100 amp, 12208 volt 3-phase stand-up and tabletop panel. The primary purpose of which is to distribute power temporarily to a range of tools that are required on a construction, event, and film job site. Welders, drills, lights are just some examples. As mentioned before, both of these panels are 100 amp, 12208 volt 3-phase rated. Both come with a 100 amp pin and sleeve primary input connection, and each come with a variety of different receptacle configurations which help meet your project requirements, such as two 50 amp, 125, 250 volt rated single phase receptacles, two 20 amp, 250 volt rated single phase receptacles, and 12 15 amp, 120 volt GFCI receptacles. Both of these unit enclosures are made of stainless steel and have a NEMA 3R outdoor rating, and come with weatherproof receptacle covers. Each weigh approximately the same at 170 pounds, and as you can see, come with wheels for safe and easy movement around the site. As to when you would use a 100 amp stand-up or tabletop panel, it's largely a matter of preference based on site layout and requirements. Couple quick tips prior to project beginning and to reduce the on-site modification and setup time. We do recommend that our customers know the receptacle configuration and the required loads. I should mention that if required, we can customize the receptacle configuration to meet the requirements. In the unlikely event that the breaker trips and you lose power, I recommend the following troubleshooting steps. If it is a GFCI circuit, make sure the reset button on the receptacle or the breaker has been pushed. If you're still having issues with breakers tripping, make sure that you check all of the cable and downstream equipment. Ensure it's free from damage. Try resetting the breaker and make sure there's no overloading on the circuit. And please remember, safety comes first. Ensure proper clearances from welders, grinders, and heaters and other equipment on site. Ensure your team is not stacking materials on or around the panels, and all cable runs to and from the panels are being neatly and properly laid out to reduce tripping hazards, and all PPE requirements of your job site are being met. This concludes our 100 amp distribution panel tutorial. For more equipment videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.